Mung beans, small green legumes native to India, have been a staple in Asian cuisine for thousands of years. Renowned for their nutritional profile and health-promoting properties, mung beans offer a wide range of benefits that make them an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Rich in essential nutrients. Acting as a natural detoxification agent, they are believed to aid in expelling heavy metals. Furthermore, they provide anti-inflammatory benefits. Additionally, they showcase antimicrobial properties. Lastly, they offer anti-diabetic effects. Here are top 12 benefits of mung beans for health and wellness. High in protein. Mung beans are a rich source of plant-based protein, essential for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. Rich in fiber. They are packed with dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and supports gut health. Supports heart health. The fiber, potassium, and magnesium in mung beans help lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Regulates blood sugar. Mung beans have a low glycemic index and are high in fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and is beneficial for people with diabetes. Rich in antioxidants. Mung beans contain antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Boosts immune system. The vitamins and minerals in mung beans, including vitamin C and zinc, help strengthen the immune system. Supports digestive health. The high fiber content promotes healthy digestion and can help prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Enhances brain function. Mung beans are a good source of folate, which supports brain health and cognitive function. Promotes healthy skin. The antioxidants and nutrients in mung beans contribute to healthy skin and can help reduce signs of aging and improve skin tone. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in mung beans have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Boosts energy. Mung beans provide complex carbohydrates and iron, offering a sustained release of energy and combating fatigue. Detoxification. Mung beans have detoxifying properties, helping to cleanse the body of toxins and support overall liver health.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.